guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I really enjoy doing these videos. I'm learning a lot about my hair and what style I could come up with. Since I've been doing a lot of hair videos, a lot of companies been reaching out to me, so I've been trying my best to get out these videos for you guys. This hair is really nice. I like it. It's very soft. So this here was sent to me, Yebo, I think that's the name, Yebo Spring Twist, and this is the color 1B. It's not tangle free. They did say that it's tangle free here, but it's not tangle free. This hair tangles a lot, so when you open out the hair, just make sure that you have a scissors somewhere to cut, to cut between it, because you will get a little tangle there and there. So this isn't the hair in its natural state. So if you guys want the hair to stretch, you have to stretch it, open it out, and then you braid it into your hair. I use the rubber band method, and I like using my rubber bands because that's only how I could get my hair to hold on to this. I have 4C hair, so my hair is very, very thick. I tried it in the beginning. Let me just see how I could do it. You guys gonna see the first one, and I left it out so you guys could see. I don't know if you guys could see that little puffy thing right here. You need like a jam to smooth out the hair before you even starting to twist it. I use this Let's Jam. This is one of my favorite. I always have it here on my desk. You need the extra hole if you have my hair type. I put the rubber band in my hair and then I smooth out the end part so the hair could blend in with the twist. But I don't want to talk too much. I want you guys to enjoy the videos. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
We dance.